UMP ke Trinamol Congress Rajya Sabha Derek O Brien mentaka sngi ulawan ha Shillong bat iakynduh berkilar pathai Khubor ke Jylla. Hakani ke jingiakynduh iathuh ba ha ke Iingdorbar Rajya Sabha ula kren ki mat iadei bat ke Jylla Meghalaya kum ke jingkhyllem jong dom ban pynrung ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ke Khyrnit Baphra jong Riti Synshar mat kiwei ki jingeh ba ke Meghalaya ke iakynduh hakini ki snem balala.
Parliament is a platform. Parliament is a platform to raise issues and keep those issues in the public domain. Otherwise, if issues, it's the same way where media also is a great pillar to amplify and keep issues in the public domain. I'm not getting into the merits and demerits of the case. Charles Pynrung and Dr. Mukul Sarma will be much more qualified to speak on the subject than I am. But we will continue to raise issues, not only in this session, but in forthcoming sessions. Because, let me give you, so that's my answer to your question on the issue of the question you asked. Is there any other pride that the TMC delivers? What were the other national parties doing? Parliament was on for 10 days. I challenge any national party or regional party to show you 2 minutes of any of their MPs raising a single issue. An open challenge. Nobody did. We are committed to the state. We didn't do Meghalaya a favor. We didn't do the Northeast a favor. It was our duty to raise these issues. These are very, very serious issues. Some issues don't only affect Meghalaya or the Northeast, and some are issues which go beyond that. The compilation of those parliamentary proceedings, we can send them across to you, so we will get them across to you on your phones before you leave the press conference. And for those of you, some of you would be interested in the transcripts, we've also made a summary of the issues raised, and we will share that with you.
The very fact that you mentioned that they have deployed the central paramilitary forces to stop the illegal transportation of coal is a clear reminder to the state government that they are not doing their job, irrespective of the fact that the High Court has asked them to do so. It is not only a contempt of court, but it is also this total disregard of law and order in the state, where you have the central paramilitary forces coming here to the state to enforce a rule, a decision taken by the High Court.